In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screenshot on Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture clean, professional screenshots of your site right from your screen. First, start on your Squarespace homepage. This is your main dashboard where you manage your site. Make sure you're signed in and have the site you want to capture open. It helps to take a moment to let everything load fully, so images, fonts, and animations look the way they're meant to. If you see any editing panels or toolbars overlapping your content, close or minimize them so the page area is clear. The cleaner your view is here, the cleaner your screenshot will look later. Next, navigate to the specific website page you want to capture. Open the exact page or section you want to showcase, maybe a homepage hero, a portfolio grid, or a contact section. Scroll carefully to line up the part you want in the center of your screen. If your browser zoom has been changed, set it back to 100% for a true-to-life capture. Give videos or image blocks a second to finish loading, and make sure any hover effects are settled the way you want to display them. If you're aiming for a full-page feel, position the content so the header and the main section you care about are both in view. If you only need a specific block, zoom your browser view in slightly or center that element so it fills most of your screen. When you're ready, use your keyboard's print screen key to capture the screenshot. On most keyboards, it's labeled print screen or party SCN. On some laptops, you might need to hold a function key while pressing it. Depending on your system, pressing this key may either capture the entire screen or present a small overlay that lets you drag to select the exact area you want. If you see a selection tool, click and drag to frame only the part of the page you need. This is great for grabbing a clean section without the browser Chrome. If your system captures the full screen automatically, that's fine too. You can still keep your on-screen view tidy so the result looks polished. After you press the key, your screenshot is either saved automatically to your screenshots folder or copied to your clipboard, depending on your device settings. That's all there is to it. Begin from your home page, open the page you want to feature, then press print screen and select the area you need. Take a quick look at your result to confirm everything is sharp, aligned, and free of editor panels. With these simple moves, you'll have crisp Squarespace screenshots ready for presentations, portfolios, or sharing with clients.